guys, so today's video is gonna be one of my most requested video, and I know I took forever to film this video, but finally I'm doing it, and that is my acne skincare routine. Yes, so last year around this time, I mean late October, I was in India then. I suddenly had this outburst of severe acne. Yes, I had this severe acne breakout, and it was like all over my face. I didn't know what was the reason for it because I was using the same makeup that I used to use, same face products, like nothing, I never added anything to it, and also my food, everything was same. So suddenly I got this acne breakout and I didn't know why. So first it was like my entire face became really grainy. It was like small grain like breakouts I was having, like small all over my face. You could have seen it on my videos when I was like without any makeup, and then it started with like a huge pimple over here or here or here, basically like on my T-zone. I used to have one or two, and then it was like my entire cheek, both my sides. I still have blemishes from them. You can see I'm not wearing any kind of face makeup. I'm just wearing my mascara and clear lip gloss so that I can show you like how improved my skin is and how bad it used to look and how good it is now. So yeah, that is why I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm just filming it without any makeup to show y'all the result that I got. Anyways, so it was like all of a sudden, and then my entire cheek was like filled with really big red pimples, and was like really severe, and my face was totally red, swollen and painful. I couldn't even sleep. Like if I put my cheek on the pillow, it used to hurt so bad. It was that bad. So I finally looked up for a good dermatologist. I went there, and on seeing me, he said like, I'm having the severe, like the most severe form of acne, and I should go for Accutane. But I wasn't prepared because if you take Accutane, you cannot get pregnant and lots of things goes on. But I was like planning, like we were planning to have another baby, conceive another baby, and that time I wasn't ready to go for Accutane. So I said that is not a good idea. What else? So he prescribed stronger tropical medicines than that, which happened to work, and also he prescribed me some antibiotics which I took orally, and which happened to work, and my acne started to clear up. Now after that, what happens is you are left with the scar. So I didn't touch my acne or anything. It cleared up on its own, but still you can see visible marks. It's almost a year now, but that time it was even bad. It was like brown patches on my skin. I always had to wear a concealer and stuff, and I've once I stopped taking the medicine orally, because once I conceived I couldn't take the medicine. I had to stop it. I saw again 1 or 2 acne coming out. So I became really scared. I didn't know what kind of skincare routine to go for, what to do, what to not. So I decided on just sticking on to one permanent skincare routine instead of trying this and that and you know, all random products. And touch wood, my skin is really good. I do not have any breakouts, maybe once or twice, like one here or one there. That doesn't bother me, because the acne, my skin used to look so dull, and it had some, I don't know why, it didn't have that glow. It used to look really dull and all. So now I am just absolutely loving the skin that I have. So let me get started with my skincare routine, what I usually use. So first thing is very important is to clean your makeup. So that is what clogs your pore, and that is what tends to give you this breakout, this huge acne and pimples on your face. So you need to make sure that you clean up, you wipe up, and you just clean up your makeup before you go to bed. So what I do is basically once I put up makeup, I come back and I wipe it up with this Neutrogena makeup remover. So this is what I'm using for the past 2-3 months. I'm liking it. It's really not harsh on your skin, and this is how it's just like wipes. Just take it out from here and just wipe your makeup. So once that is done, there's still makeup left. So it's not just you wipe up your face and it's done. No, there's still makeup left which you need to take out. For that I use a cleanser, and this is the Michael Todd True Organic. So this is the Michael Todd True Organic Honey and Oat Gentle Deep Pore Cleaner. So this is gonna take out all the makeup and impurities that you have still inside your pores out, and this is what makes the skin so different. So once I apply the makeup and once I clean it up with this, my skin feels so fresh. It's not just like it's the makeup is out. You can understand the difference. All you need to do is first you have to wet your face with lukewarm water and apply a little bit of it on, like take a little bit of it onto your fingers and massage it onto your face, and then wash it off and everything comes out. Your face is just awesomely clean. And also this is like good for all type of skin. Yeah, so it's like 70% organic and certified vegan and good for all type of skin. I've been using it and I'm loving it so much, and it contains like honey and oat. That is what it contains. And another thing is like it's no tears, so even if it goes into your eyes, it's not gonna bother you. So no tears means it's not really harsh like any baby product. It's really good, and I'm absolutely loving it. I like recommend anyone and everyone to use it, and you will see instant result. Like I've been using it and I really love it. So every night I wear it, makeup or not, irrespective, I just wash my face with this one and go to sleep. So this is really good and I'm loving it. This is how it looks. I love how it looks. You can see this is how it looks like real honey, something you made in your kitchen, and I love the smell. It's really awesome. So yeah, you can order this online at www.michael.struorganic, and I will put the link down in the description box. If you want to buy it, you should definitely try it. And this is the cleanser that I've been using. So yeah, that is what I basically use. And now exfoliating, which is the most important part when you have this acne prone skin, because you tend to grow this white heads and black heads everywhere, like here and here especially. So the thing I do to scrub off or exfoliate my skin is I use this foaming scrub from Neutrogena, and this is also for acne prone skin because it have this salicylic acid, which is a good thing for acne treatment. So this is what I use to scrub off, and this one is the most important thing any girl should have in their like include in their skincare regime. That is this thing, this tool. This is actually a blackhead remover, black and white heads. So what I do is I kind of wet my nose or my chin, wherever I want to clean my black and white heads, with some lukewarm water, and I just press it down this way, and you just need to press it hard and take out all your white heads and black heads. It's just clean, and once you touch it, you'll feel the difference. Your like skin feels so much clean and soft and smooth. You can feel that anything and everything that was inside is out now. So yeah, this is very important, and I use it almost every day in the bathroom. So whenever I'm taking a shower, before taking a shower, irrespective I have any black head or white head, it's become my habit now. I just clean it. And for scrubbing, I exfoliate like 2 to 3 days in a week. Yeah, that's all. Even sometimes 2 days, because I generally use this one every day in the bathroom, so that way I do not have much whiteheads. I basically get whiteheads instead of blackheads, so I do not have much to scrub. So yeah, that is it. And after that, what I do is basically I will just break it down. So in the morning I wake up, I wash my face with this one. I take a little bit of this and clean it up, and then what I do is I apply this acne clearing solution from Murad. You can see this. This is this actually had this salicylic acid in it again, and kind of helps fight the acne, prevent breakout and all. So this is what I've been applying. So you just take a little bit of it and massage it into your skin and leave it, and then in the afternoon I take my bath, so it's all gone. And every afternoon I have to go pick up Samara from her bus stand. So for that, it's really hot outside and sunny, so I need to protect my skin from sun. For that I am using this L'Oreal UV Perfect Essence sunscreen. It has an SPF of 30, you can see, And yeah, this is kind of nice. It works for my skin, and I've been using this one ever since. And then if I need to moisturize my skin, I usually do not, because it's still hot out here. This is the only moisturizer that I'm using, and it's a medicated moisturizer, and it's from India. So it's called Emoline. So that is what I'm using. And at night, before going to bed, again, I clean up my face with this Michael True Organic Honey Oat Cleanser. And I apply this Acne Spot Fix, which helps reduce the acne blemishes that you actually get from your acne. So you can see I've got acne spots here, here, and then here. Basically where I got some I got acne, I got spots in there, but they are almost gone. And this is what I'm using to treat my acne spot. So just apply it and go to bed, and that's it. And the one thing I use once a week is this Bio Deep Clean Charcoal Cleansing. Now this came in one of 17 Social Club pack, and I used it and I fell in love with this. This actually gives a really strong clean face feel. You know, it feels like every impurities from your skin is out now. So I don't know, for the mental satisfaction or whatever, I use it once a week, basically around the weekend. When I wear heavy makeup, when I go outside, I use this one. I wash my face with this instead of this one, and apply again my regular spot fix and go off to sleep. So this is basically my skincare routine, nothing else. And I'm so happy with the result that I have now. I hope this is what it continues to be. I do not have any more breakout or severe acne of anything like that, because it's really worst. It kind of you know, if you have bad skin, your confidence is so down. I used to stay in my room all the time, and if I go out, even if I had to just step out of my house for a minute or two, I used to wear concealer because my face used to look so bad. And touch wood, my face is really good. I don't have to wear makeup every time I go out of my house. Basically face makeup, I just wear a little mascara and clear lip gloss just like now, and step out of my house, and that's it. So having a solid skincare routine is really important, but just stick to the one that suits to your skin. This is what suits my skin, and since y'all wanted to know, I shared it with y'all. It might suit your skin, it might not, so just try. If it suits, continue. If not, you should definitely opt for other things. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, guys.